Ni na udhocha yuni omanyithie ni tawe Rastas kithuku wa nzomo na kesharo ni ndinda ni wako alula mauvo akwanzia ya mea kwa natuambiani kana ngwatanio ya Azimio-One Kenya ni yavikia na Kuweta kana ni koseu vya nzamaye mwanya kuthinikia Ngusanisyo ila siye tovo Iulu wanu ula ukonewa mwanya wa Munini wa Raila Odinga usakuwa nini wa mwi wa nyanya ngwatanio na ila ya atoisya umbano wanza manene yayo nyumbani ya KICC itongwe ni mwene kivila Musumbi Uhuru Kenyatta ndongo ya Ngwatanio Raila Odinga na amemba Kalonzo Musyoka Charity Ngilu kati wa angi ni matha ateimo kana nimeyumbanite undu vailite wikithekana Raila ni watwika Musumbi wa gatano umbano uyuka mithenya mivuthu itina wa muyumbe wa Makweni Dan Mazo kwetakana Kalonzo aimone wa mwanya usu ukamba wika kuna kulasya usumbi na yongaleko ingi ya amwema aka mangwatanio ya Azimio matongweni Governor Ngilu kumwendekethia Martha Karua atwike munini wa Raila. Joseph Kitheka ni wako vingwa vilingi wa mauvo na ingawa
mithenya mivuthu itina wa Ngusanisyo kwambia kwiyumila nthini wa ngwatanio ya Azimio-Oka ungu otongwe wa Raila Odinga wanu walite kwitha munini wake usakwani munene ukite kwa ivinda ya mbe ngwatanio ya Azimio-Oka ni yakomana kwi umunthi nyumbani ya KICC we ilovi ungu otongwe wa President Uhuru Kenyatta ulona sakwira omwene kivila wayo.
The Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party Council under the chairmanship of His Excellency the President and attended by all the members of the Council, held its inaugural meeting at the Kenyatta International Convention Center today and held fruitful discussions, including reaffirming the party's commitment to ensuring that the forthcoming general election is characterized by sober contemplation and debate on key national challenges, among them uplifting the well-being of all Kenyans, eradicating corruption, respect for dissent and views of others, peaceful campaigns, a stable post-election economic environment, and a united, inclusive, fair, and prosperous nation.
Itina wanzama inene kukomana kwi umunthi ni akwatenia na kusakua amemba memwana anamekwitha maithinikia na kuthungula nu wailite kwitha munini wa Raila Odinga itina kwitha amoito lama kwa tamba ngwatanio ya Azimio la Umoja kwitha manamwendekithie Martha Karua kwitha munini wa Raila Odinga vanana mo amoito lama kwa tamba udongo ya chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka kwitha na mama naisye nongina Kalonzo atangasire munini wa Raila.
The council also resolved to appoint an advisory panel to recommend to the presidential candidate suitable candidates for nomination as the deputy presidential candidate.
Ingi itina waombano uu amemangwatanio ni maweta kana ni masovitie mivango mingi na miailu ya kuwekithia kana kampeni cia ngwatanio ii lisi atoyo kwa mituki na kuotea ndongo ii ya chama cha ODM Raila Odinga usindi nikenda ngwatanio ii ya Azimio-Oka isa uvyo serikali usakuwani munene ukite.
The council further resolved, further, one, mandated the National Coalition Executive Committee to immediately recommend suitable qualified individuals to be appointed to the following party organs: A. Coalition Election Board, B. Coalition Elections Appeal Board, C. National Disciplinary Committee, D. Dispute Resolution Panel. Directed the National Coalition Executive Committee to immediately prepare a campaign strategy and plan that will ensure: 1. The Azimio la Umoja One Kenya presidential candidate wins the 2022 presidential election. 2. Azimio la Umoja One Kenya forms the next government. And 3. Azimio la Umoja One Kenya forms the majority in parliament and in all 47 county assemblies of our blessed republic.
Alangi mevikita umbanoni ule wamuna Raila Odinga, Martha Karua wana Kenya, Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper, Gideon Moi wa KANU na Governor wa Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho kati wa tongoi angi. Kulikana kanavuye tina ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka kanisa ni mwono na wetikana kethe Raila enda kwa munini wake kuma ile mbetani ya Mount Kenya onake ni mwikuyu aiweta kana weta wasomea Meru na nune na Kimeru.
If anybody tells you Kalonzo is not a Kikuyu, is not a Madaraka, is not therefore the Kikuyus and the Tharakas and everybody else must get to be vice president or be president, in order for this country to progress, please pray for them.
Joseph Kitheka, Vilingi wa Mauvo.